Hello, my name is Harshal, and in this video we are going to discuss about our proposed design for low-cost ventilator. As you can see in this video, it will be consisting of a standard ambu bag, a compression rod for to and fro motion to drive the bag, a slider crank mechanism to drive the compression rod, along with a set of gear arrangement powered by an stepper motor or servo motor. The design will be compatible with any variable speed motor. Once the prototype setup is established, we will calibrate the amount of air deliver with respect to speed of motor, thus variable airflow rate can be achieved. After finalizing the design parameters, we will test the ventilator on a lung model to meet ventilator standards and market the product. Final prototype will have a user-controlled breath rate and tidal volume. Future iterations will incorporate changes prompted by the results of our prototype making and testing. Finally, we will test the ventilator on a lung model to meet ventilator standards and market the product.